Alright, showing the Anvil House. Chapel, blah blah blah, Castle Gate, blah blah blah. I think this might be one of the cheapest houses because you don't have to buy all the inside shit. What is it? It's kind of dark in some of the holes, so we're gonna wander around with a torch. Looks really nice. This is the house I use typically to hold most of my shit. I got Roderick's medicine I put up on the counter. Oh shit, that fucking apple respawned and it launched my Argonian heart out of the bowl. Oh, I gotta find a better spot for the Argonian heart now. Oh, oh, there we go, there we go. That's a good spot for it. Put it on this plate over here. No. No. Alright. I know, I came to show the house, so I'm just sitting here just putting Argonian hearts on plates. There we go, perfect. Alright. So, got a cabinet in this corner here. I hold my gems in it. It's just random clothing in case I want to just dress and look nice. That's the living area. You got a dining room. Here's another cabinet. I keep actual like combat crafts, my shroud of armor, nice stuff. At least this gameplay, that's what I'm doing. I change it up every once in a while or use different houses. This is currently my playthrough right now where I'm holding stuff. And we got, I'm assuming this is the kitchen. I don't know. It seems very kitchen-esque. So I keep my food, my mortar and pestle in this cabinet. We'll check out this basement shortly. You got your bedroom, where, of course, I've got the lusty Argonian maid in about 9 different spots. Here's another copy. You got your clothing dresser. I keep weapons in this cabinet here. Nice little sitting room. Another sitting area. Another copy of Lusty Argonian. Here you get a nice little desk. Is that another copy of Lusty? Okay, that's not Lusty Argonian. See, this needs to go in Frostcrag, and I bet some of this shit, all of this shit is for my Anvil house. So I'm actually going to pull this stuff out. Oh, I didn't want to pull that one out yet. We're going to put this in the house it's supposed to be in. Another one here, the books, spell scrolls. It's a pretty nice house. If you want storage, this is the house to. This is one of the houses to get. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 storage containers upstairs. Because what this house also has is literally just loads of storage if you want it. I never come downstairs because it's just another load zone. You got all this fucking delicious wine. It's all cheap wine. What the fuck? Assholes. got all this storage you can deal with if you just need a lot of fucking storage, which 12's pretty sufficient. Get this extra room in here. This is the best room of the house right here. More storage. And you know, I've never actually checked or Googled to see it. I believe most of this is non-respawning chests. I believe all is down here. You got a couple bags down here. Especially since I took everything out of these sacks like probably a month, in-game month ago, and it hasn't respawned. I'm pretty sure it doesn't respawn. But that is the Anvil house. One of the largest houses you can get in the game, only because of this massive basement. If it didn't have this huge basement, then I think Skingrad might be the largest house. We'll definitely know once I get it all counted and all the storage. So, if you're trying to keep up, this was 12 storage places upstairs. So, but yeah, it did shitty on lighting though. It needs some more candle bras in here. The bedroom's not bad, but no clue where the light in this room's coming from, but maybe from in here, 'cause there's... Knowing Bethesda, those candles right there are what's lighting up this room. That's, of course, a window. But damn, a torch will light up the whole motherfucker. Oh, there you have it. And you got a little balcony here. Nothing on it, but they should put, like, chairs or something up here at least. That would have been nice. But that's the Anvil house.